We're pleased to report today to our investors on our 1-year anniversary of our microcap fund. Some really strong numbers, up 50%, and that's net of all fees, against the market, which was also strong, up 22%. What's really pleasing with the performance was it came from, on average, 60 stocks in the portfolio, and we're drawing from a very large universe of opportunities in microcaps. As you can see, there's nearly 2,000 companies in our universe, and only just over 500 are covered by brokers. So to achieve this, we need a very large team, and the team have done a great job. Here's the team here, and today you'll hear from Sam Berridge and Damien Cottier, who are co-portfolio managers on the fund.
Cocom is another company that has done really well. We bought it after it was sold down on Amazon concerns. However, when we had a look at the business, we thought it had several attributes which mean that it would be resistant to Amazon, and it was also growing sales at around 30% per annum, which we thought was quite outstanding. We bought the stock around about $1.50 in May. We then doubled the size of the position after the result in August, where both sales and profit growth was very strong. And as the sales growth has continued, it's continued to run, and we've taken profits around about $6.90 recently. Paulinova is another company which has done very well. It has developed a skin covering which allows burns victims to heal much more quickly than they can with traditional techniques. It's just started sales in the US, and we see tremendous growth potential.
Alliance Aviation was a key contributor to the fund last year. It was one of the first stocks we added in February when we started the fund, and at 78 cents. What we liked then was a very cheap valuation, around 6 times earnings, an improving balance sheet, and big opportunities in the recovering mining sector where they do fly-in fly-out services. As the year progressed, they undertook a deal with Virgin to wet lease in the regional Queensland area, and we believe the market was underappreciating this. So we kept adding to the position, and gradually this has become apparent to the market with significant price upgrades since. Another stock which made a good contribution was Integral Diagnostics. We first bought this stock mid last year under the new management team, which we thought would do a good job cutting costs and getting the business back into growth again. It wasn't long into this journey that they had a takeover bid from Capital Health, which is ongoing today.
In the resources space, Galena Mining was a key contributor to the fund for the last 12 months. When we first bought this stock, it had an EV of around 15 million. So whilst it was a very small company, they had an asset which had previously changed hands for around about 98 million. So as the exploration results started coming through into the market, the share price re-rated quite strongly, and we ended up exiting the position at $1.20 per share for a 233% return on our initial investment. In the industrial space, another decent contributor to the fund for the 12 months was Decmil. We started looking at this company just after they downgraded in July, just before the FY17 result. We started to buy stock at 86 cents. We didn't quite get filled, but then lo and behold, when the result was actually returned, which was exactly in line with the downgrade only a month earlier, we had the same share price reaction, and we managed to double the position in the fund at that time. The outlook commentary was very strong. Decmil offered exposure to both the East Coast infrastructure thematic as well as the return of iron ore capex. And as the market got a hold of this thematic, the stock re-rated, and we ended up exiting our position at $1.25.
So in summary, it has been a solid first year for the perennial microcap strategy. Importantly, looking forward, we continue to manage risk. We have over 65 stocks in the portfolio, and our valuation is compelling on a 22% discount to market. More importantly, 50% of the companies we hold have no debt. The team and I will be making further investment updates during the year, and if you want further information on the fund, please visit www.perennial.net.au. Thank you for your time.